Graeme, I've seen this car a few times, but do you want to tell me a bit about it, because I've never actually asked?
So 1975 Fairlady Z, originally from Japan, so it's a proper JDM spec. Fairlady Zs in Japan came only with the 2 litre L20 motor. That's since been thrown in the bin, was upgraded to 2.8 litre stroker. So we're 2.8 litres stroked out to 3 litres. Triple Makunis, KYB suspension, so on and so on and so forth. It's been in Australia for 3 years now, and it took 2 years to build in Japan.
So someone else built it?
Yes, the bad life choice of Mr. TA Auto telling me that, hey, this car here, I'll finish the restoration and one of you can buy it. Yeah. And I said, sign me up for that really nice bad life choice. So,
well, it's not too bad of a life choice.
No, it's actually pretty good.
Has he shown the Winfield blue highlights in the paint?
No.
To prove this car's authenticity and the fact that Ando-san genuinely built this car, there is flecks of his Japanese cigarette ash through the paint, which was laid down while he was chain smoking while respraying the car.
Not that one, but there's a few little marks in there. Little imperfections in the paint.
It's character, isn't it?
It is.